Hi guys, I have a new plant here that I want to show you guys. It's a really interesting looking succulent, and according to the description on the pot it came in, it's a type of mimicry plant. All I know about mimicry plants in the succulent world is that they mimic nature, often resembling rocks and pebbles. Well-known mimicry plants are mesembs or lithops and split rocks, and I'll insert a picture right here. But I've never heard of this plant. The name on the pot is this. And maybe it's considered a mimicry plant because it resembles a cactus. I couldn't figure out whether this was a succulent or a cactus at first. We know that all cacti plants are considered succulents, but not all succulents are cacti. So this plant resembles a cactus plant, but is actually a succulent, which is fascinating to me. I can't find much information about this plant on the internet at all, so feel free to tell me more about this plant if you happen to know about it. I'm repotting it right now and using a very fast draining potting mix. On the pot it says it's native to South Africa, drought tolerant, and produces intense magenta flowers. I think this one just bloomed judging from this dried up bloom stalk right here. And I think there are actually 2 dried up bloom stalks. So I'm repotting this right now using a very fast draining succulent potting mix right here. I've been using Bonsai Jack succulent potting mix lately. I've been using it a lot lately, and it's a very fast draining potting mix. One thing I like about it is that I don't have to mix my own succulent mix, and if I'm feeling, lazy or if I'm in a hurry, then I just use Bonsai Jack. But one thing to know about it is very fast draining, and I've noticed that I need to water my succulents more when I'm using this potting mix for them because they just dry out really fast. What I've also been doing is I mix succulent potting, a regular succulent potting mix with perlite or with pumice, but mostly I use perlite before because they're easier to find in the store. And I just mix it together in about a 2-to-1 solution of potting mix and perlite, and that's worked out for me too. And it's a lot cheaper than Bonsai Jack potting mix. If it looks like I'm afraid of touching the little hairs or bristles here, it's because I am. I don't know if these are actual thorns like the ones on a cactus or not, but I'm not taking any chances. I've been pricked one too many times by a cactus before and it's not fun. Better be safe than sorry because even if it doesn't hurt, I don't want to end up with the most annoying blister. So I'm using these tongs instead to grab it. When you pull this apart, it looks like these grow in clusters, and I think it produces pups as babies. This looks like 2 or 3 separate plants or clumps right here. So there you go guys, I'm finally done repotting it. Let me give it some water because the soil and roots felt very dry when I was repotting these. Before I end this video, here's how it looks a week later. It's been staying near a window until I can bring it outside as soon as construction is finished outside my house. One last thing before I go, these dried up bloom stalks are really bothering me, so I'm gonna cut them off. Here's one. And let me get to the other one, which is right here. And just to show you guys, look, I am not afraid of touching them anymore because they really don't prick. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to this channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. I have a playlist of related topics that you can check out down below. Thanks for stopping by. We really appreciate all your support. Have a great day and happy gardening!